Welcome back, Interlock Nation. If you're new here, welcome. Today, I'm unboxing my very first GreenStalk. I'm setting up the 3-tier GreenStalk vertical planter. I'm placing it on my deck, which is a small space, which is why I chose the 3-tier because I still want to be able to see over my railing. I chose the original, simple, classic design and green because it's one of my favorite colors. This video is for those who are looking to grow more in less space. It looks like we have all of the parts here. We're going to set up this GreenStalk vertical planter in just 5 minutes. Looks like I've got some extra help today. We've been getting a lot of rain lately and I was dying to see what was inside the box, so I decided to unbox indoors. Alright, my prayers have been answered. The rain has stopped. It's supposed to rain again later, so let's head outdoors onto the deck. Also, the GreenStalk vertical planter does come with an instruction manual. Also, some planting ideas with just a few of the many plants you can grow in a GreenStalk. Fill your planter to the top with a soft, fluffy potting mix. Garden soil is not recommended as it's way too heavy. My apologies for the background noise. Add mix without compressing or packing in the soil. This was the hardest part of the project. Actually, not hard at all, easy peasy. Place the gray disc on top of each tier, lining up the holes with each planter pocket. Ensure the planter's feet interlock with the planter below so it stays in place. Take care not to get soil in the gray disc. It also came with these fun stickers and the white Lisbon bunch and onion, which I love. Initially, you may need to water more than once through the reservoir, as well as the pockets, to thoroughly moisten the soil. I kept watering until I could see the water draining from the bottom of the planter. I was able to get this vertical planter assembled in 5 minutes. Whether you're on a balcony, patio, or small backyard, this vertical gardening for small spaces solutions is perfect for urban gardeners and beginners alike. So this is basil from my hydroponic system, and this will go in. So I will pop this in here. Plant each pocket with starter plants or seeds. I decided to pinch some rosemary from a plant that I'm already growing, so we'll propagate it here. Take 4 to 6 inch cuttings from a healthy plant. Be sure to remove the lower leaves and plant. We carefully transplanted the basil taken from the hydroponic system. We have it transplanted here and here. We will continue to plant each pocket with either starter plants or seeds. Here we have lacinato kale rehomed from the indoor hydroponic system. Look at the roots on this hydroponically grown Swiss chard. So we're going to rehome it here. Get that planted in as well today. I'm just going to remove the white cage, but I'll leave the growing sponge. There's still time to grow cilantro. Let's start some fall carrots, as well as bok choy. And let's do another round of bush beans and strike beans. It fits perfectly into tight spaces. When it comes to caring for your plants, choose the best location for your planter. Generally, you want a location with full sun. Check on your plants often. Daily or a few times a week is recommended. Make sure your plants are getting enough water. Check the top layer by sticking a finger into the soil. Always place your planter on a level surface. Otherwise, water will not disperse evenly and may harm the product's integrity. Proactively move the planter in case of high winds. It's ideal to move your planter to a protected area. Lastly, assess what may be slowing your plant's growth. Check the plants daily for pests, yellow leaves, and bolting. Did you enjoy this quick guide on how to set up your GreenStalk in just 5 minutes? If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.